Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Target 100 in Mathematics by Shivesh Kumar Singh, and today we are going to learn about solving rate problems. Means word problems will be given to us and we'll have to simplify that. Okay, now before starting with the questions, let's revise about the unit rate. What I have explained in my another videos about unit means out of 1. So what another words you can have in your questions in your exam? See, they can say each unit, each unit, or they can say per unit, or they can say 1 unit. All these meanings are same. Okay, and it means unit rate means you have to find the rate for one quantity. For example, if I say if 10 pence cost dirham 2, okay, cost of 10 pence is 2 dirham, or let's say 20 dirham. Okay, then how much will be the cost of 1 pen? 1 pen, it will be 20 divided by 10 means 2 dirham. Yes, so this 2 dirham is the unit price, means you will say AED 2 for 1 pen. Okay, so that is called unit price or unit rate. So this will be very helpful for you in solving all the questions where you will find first for 1 unit and then you will find for the required unit. For example, suppose we want to solve this question. Ahmed is ordering pizza for a class pizza party. Pizza Hut has a special offer where he can buy 3 pizzas for AED 18.75. Now what I told you, my dear students, that in place of reading question in very quick time, you just write important things on the paper. Okay, for example, here one is Pizza Hut. This is the one shop, and what is the cost here, what is the offer here? Number of pizzas and uh, dirham. Okay, don't worry for the spelling. Now this is 3 pizzas and how much money? 18.75. Okay, now we'll read further. Another shop is Domino's. So just you write here Domino's, and there they buy how many pizzas? 4 pizzas in how much dirham? It is 22 dirham. Okay, now question is, if Ahmed wants to buy 12 pizzas, then which shop he should choose and how much money he will save? Now you see, here he wants 12 pizza. So what you can do? You can do this question in two ways. Like, because they can be directly divided, so you can do it. Okay. Otherwise, you can find the unit price. Like, you will find the price for one pizza, price for one pizza, and then you will multiply the difference with the 12, because you need to find for the 12 pizza. So what I am going to do here? I am going to do here for directly for 12. So what it will be? You see, 3 multiply. How? What number is 12? 3 multiply 4, it will be 12. Yes or no? So same multiplication you will do here also. So it will be 18.75 times 4. Okay, let's do it here. 18 times 7.5 multiplied by 4 is 4 times 5, 20. 2 carry forward. 4 times 7, 28. 28 and 2, 30. 3 carry forward. Then 4 times 8, 32. 32 and 3, 35. 4 times 1, 4. And then 3, 7. Okay, please check the calculation. Okay, so for Pizza Hut, if you buy 12 pizzas, then you will have to pay 75 dirham. Now what about Domino's? You see here, 4 multiplied by how, what number is 12? 12. So 4 multiplied by 3 will become 12. So multiply the same number here also. So 22 multiplied by 3, it will be equal to 66. So in Pizza Hut we have to pay 75 dirham. In Domino's we'll have to pay 66 dirham. So definitely we are having a good offer in Domino's. Yes. So how much money we can save? Saved money will be equal to 75 minus 66, means it will be equal to 5 minus 6, 9, and 9 dirham only. Okay, so in this deal, if you go to Domino's, then you can save 9 dirham in this deal. Okay, again I am telling you, my dear students, it is not only the way to solve this question. You can find for 1 unit also, and then you will have to multiply by 12 the difference. Okay, and then you can get the answer. Next question maybe we can do by that method. See, this is Hazza and Abdullah each recorded how far they traveled while skateboarding. Hazza traveled 65 feet in 5 seconds. Now you see, here it is Hazza, so feet and seconds. So how many feet? 65 feet in 5 seconds. Okay. Another student, Abdullah, for feet and second. So 108 feet in 8 seconds. Okay. Now who traveled faster? So if you want to see who traveled faster, then you will have to find it in 1 second. So 1 second, what you will do? For 5 seconds you want 1 second. So what you will do? You will divide it by 5. So same here also, you will have to divide it by 5. So 65 divided by 5 will be equal to 13. Okay, so Hazza is traveling 13 feet in 1 second. Okay, if you want, you can write like this: 13 feet in 1 second. Now here, what about Abdullah? Again you find for 1 second, so divided by 8. So here also you will have to divide by 8. Yes, so 108 divided by 8, it will be equal to 8 ones are 8 and 2. Okay, so we can, I think we cannot divide it completely, it will be in the decimal. It's okay, we'll divide it. 8 ones are 8 and 2 for 2 remainder 28, 8 threes are 24, and then 5 remainder 0.5. You just check the division. Okay, 13.5 feet in 1 second for Abdullah. So what's the difference? Who travels faster? Of course, Abdullah is traveling faster because he is traveling 13.5 feet and he is traveling only 13 feet. So how much more difference is? What's the difference between these two travels? It is 13.5 minus 13 and it will be equal to 0.5 feet. Okay, like this you can get the answer. Now another question can be, a bakery bakes 260 donuts in 4 hours. At this rate, how many donuts can they make in 6 hours? Okay, let's try to find. It is donuts and it is hours. Now how many donuts? 260. How much time? 4 hours. And how much time they want? They want 6 hours. Okay, now you see, if you multiply 4 by a number to get 6, then you will have to be little careful because it is not the direct number, it will be in the decimal. Of course you can do it division also. So if you multiply 4 with 1.5, you will get 6, but I don't want to you be involved in such a difficult calculation. So what I am going to do here, first you do it for 1 hour. Okay, so what you will do? Divide it by 4. So here also you will have to divide it by 4. Okay, so divide it. So 260 divided by 4, it will be equal to what? 4 times 6, 24, and then 2 remainder, 2 4 5s are 20. 65 donuts in 1 hour. Now we want for 6 hours. So from 1, if you want to get 6, what you will have to do? Multiply by 6. So here also you will have to multiply by 6. So 65 multiplied by 6, it will be equal to 6 5s are 30 and 6 6s are 36 and 3 39. So 390 donuts they will bake in 6 hours. Okay, like this you can do this question. Now another question can be, Tara can type 180 words in 4 minutes. Now it is almost the same type of question, so I will suggest you, my dear students, pause the video and do this question yourself and then match the answer. Okay, so here they say words and here they say minutes. So how many words? 180 words. How many minutes? 4 minutes. Then how many minutes they want? 10. So for 10 it is not the direct calculation. Okay, so first of all we'll find for 1. So 4 will be divided by 4 to get 1. So same here also you will divide by 4. So 180 divided by 4, I think it will be 45. So 45 words in 1 minute. So in 10 minutes you will have to multiply by 10 and you will have to multiply by 10 here also. So 45 multiplied by 10 will be equal to 450 words in 10 minutes. Let's take one more question. Now, Zayed wants to buy a new racing bicycle that cost AED 168. 168 he wants total money, okay? To earn money, he can either do yard work for his grandmother or babysit his brother and sister. He earns dirham 24 for 3 hours for yard work, and he earns 48 dirham for 4 hours of babysitting. How much longer will it take him to earn the money if only does yard work? Okay, so we will focus only on yard work. So let's talk about this. What conditions are given here? For the yard work, he gets 24 dirham in 3 hours. Okay, and how much money he wants? He wants 168 dirham. Yes, so for this, what you can do here? Definitely for 168 dirham, he needs to work more time. Yes, he needs more time to earn this money. So what you can do here? You can maybe you can say that for 1 hour we can find first, and then we can do for 168 dirham. Yes, so you see, I'll do like that only. For 1 dirham, how much hour he will have to work? He will have to divide by 24. So divide by 24 here also. So it will be 3 divided by 24. And now how much money he wants? He wants 168. So just multiply by 168. So here also 3 over 24 divided by 168. Okay, now I will suggest you one thing here, that whatever number you can divide, just it is not like that you multiply 3 and 168 and then divide it by 5. It will waste your time. Now you can see here 3 and 24 you can divide, yes or no? So 3 times 1 3, 3 times 8 24, and now you see 168 can be divided by 8. So 8 2s are 16, 8 1s are 8. So 21 hours he will have to work in the yard work to get dirham 168. Okay, like this you can solve the question. I'll suggest you to practice some more questions so that this lesson can be very easy for you. And if you think that such videos will help you to increase your knowledge, please like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends also. Thank you.